Bonjour à vous. Hello everyone. Sixth grade student, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. As you know, we are doing our chapter number 3 and we have done the first group of verb, how to conjugate, and you can say how to change if the word is ending with er. And here are the steps. In the first step, you have to remove er, and in the second step, after removing er, you have to put e, es, ons, ez, ent according to the subject. And here is the table, and I told you that learn this table, and I hope you did your homework. So with je, according to the rule, we put e, with you, es, il, l, e, with nu, we put ons, with woo, we put ez, with il, l, we put ent. So I gave you this table to conjugate. I hope you have done. So if you have done this table, then the exercise will become very easy for you all. So let's move on to the exercise. This is your first exercise on page number 39. Okay student, so here is the exercise. Read it. You have to conjugate le verb entre parentheses means that table. You have to convert the verb that is given under in this table in present form. Okay, so let's do this exercise. Here is the exercise. I have done this exercise for you. So firstly, understand how to do this exercise. I have written the meaning of the verbs. First is habite, leave, écouter, listen, arrive, arrive, accept, montrer, show, marcher, walk, fermer, close. So here is the exercise. L is she. So you know very well, according to the rule, with L we have to put er. So what I did in this exercise, with abite is here. Abite, we have first, but what is the first step? First step is firstly remove er. Okay, done. Now what is the second step? According to the subject. What is the subject? Subject is L. According to the subject, put the letter. So tell me, what according to the subject L, what we will put? Yes, we will put E. Okay, like as the next is Jerome et Susan écoutent la radio. Écoute means listen. So move on to that table. So student, listen it carefully. Whenever you have plurals, for example, in the exercise we have 2 person. Okay, so whenever we have plural, we will put il or l. Okay, we will put il or l. For example, doctors, teachers, children, they all are in plural form. So it's not necessary every time you will get il, l, je, tu. Sometime you will get names also. If there is a Ram, for Ram you will use he. Okay, so for Ram you will go to this, for he. If there is a Ram and Sham, then 2 person are here. For 2 person you will go to il, l, this one, plural one. Okay student, so move on to the exercise. So they are listening the radio. Nous avons, as you know, with nous we put ons. Nous avons à l'aéroport. We are arriving at the airport. J'accepte ton invitation. I accepting your invitation. Pierre montre ses photos. Pierre is showing his photos. Votre marché sur le trottoir. You are walking on the terrace. Ria and Pia, now they both are girls. So for girls we will follow the rules of L. This L we will follow. And what is the rule? Cut the ER and put ENT. So I have cut the ER and put ENT here. So I hope this video this exercise is clear to you. If this exercise is clear to you, please mention in the comment section, so that I can know that you are getting my points or not. Now today we will do the second group. First group was er ending verb. Er ending verb. First group was er ending verb. Now second group is ir ending verb. Whenever the verb is ending with ir, for example, fini means to finish, it is ending with ir. So what is the rule? Step number 1, remove r. Okay, remove r. There you have to put remove er, and here you have to put just remove r. Okay, at the end of the verb. For example, that is fini. If you remove r, then it become fini. Then following verb ends, then you have to add ss, t, ssons, double s, ez, double s, ent according to the subject. So with je is a subject, you put s. With you put s. With il you put t. With nu you put double s, ons. Okay, with woo you put double s, ez. With il you put double s, ent. I hope this is clear, and examples are also here. Two tables are here. Okay, so please read it and try to understand it, and if you have any doubt, you can ask from me anytime. You can call me. Okay, student. So if this topic is clear to you, I think you can easily do the second exercise. Again, these verbs are given in the box. You have to conjugate, means change it according to the subject. Yes, according to the subject. So I have done this exercise for you. Meaning also given of full sentence in the bracket here. Okay, so try to do this exercise and tell me, is it clear to you all or not? Please tell me once, whether you can write down in the comment. Okay, please tell me. Okay, student, au revoir, bye bye, à bientôt, see you soon.